Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Space exploration has taken us from the moon to Mars. But how much do you really know about the biggest milestones in space history? From NASA's Apollo missions to SpaceX's bold innovations, we're covering it all. Did you know there was once a mission that tried to land on Mars and failed? Find out what happened. You'll have 25 questions to test your knowledge with just 10 seconds to answer each one. Grab a pen and paper and let's see if you're a cosmic expert or if you need a space refresher. Let's launch into the quiz. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! What was the first spacecraft to orbit Saturn? Cassini. Voyager 2. Or Pioneer 10. Cassini. Which country was the first to send an unmanned spacecraft to the moon? United States, USSR, or China? USSR. What is the name of the first space shuttle to fly into space? Challenger, Discovery, or Columbia? Columbia. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? NASA's Artemis program is focused on exploring Jupiter's moons. Yes, you are right. It's false. Artemis is aimed at returning humans to the moon, not Jupiter's moons. What was the purpose of the Hubble Space Telescope? To observe the Earth's surface, to study galaxies, stars, and planets, or to track space debris? To study galaxies, stars, and planets. Which space agency was responsible for the first landing on the moon? ESA, NASA, or Roscosmos? NASA. What is the name of the first mission to land on the asteroid Bennu? OSIRIS-REx, Hayabusa, or Apollo 17? OSIRIS-REx. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What was the first spacecraft to explore Pluto? Voyager 2. New Horizons, or Pioneer 10? New Horizons. Which planet was the first target of the Mariner spacecraft? Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? Mars. What was the first space station built by the USA? Skylab, Mir, or Salyut? Skylab. Did you know there's a Tesla Roadster orbiting the sun right now, launched by SpaceX in 2018 with a mannequin named Starman in the driver's seat? Who was the first American to orbit the Earth? Alan Shepard, John Glenn, or Neil Armstrong? John Glenn. Which spacecraft first successfully landed on Mars in 1997? Spirit rover, Viking 1, or Mars Pathfinder? Mars Pathfinder. Which mission was the first to take a spacecraft to the outer solar system? Pioneer 10, Voyager 1, or Juno? Pioneer 10. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! What milestone did SpaceX achieve with the Falcon 9 rocket in 2010? First reusable rocket launch, first human space flight, or first Mars mission? First reusable rocket launch. What is the name of the mission designed to return samples from Mars to Earth? Perseverance, Mars Sample Return, or Curiosity rover? Mars Sample Return. Who was the first person to fly to space twice? Alan Shepard, Gus Grissom, or Yuri Gagarin? Yuri Gagarin. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! What was the goal of NASA's Apollo 13 mission? To land on the moon, to orbit Venus, or to return safely after a mechanical failure? To return safely after a mechanical failure. What space agency is known for launching the Soyuz spacecraft? NASA, Roscosmos, or ESA? Roscosmos. What year did the first successful human spaceflight take place? 1957, 1961, or 1961? (1961). Would you rather spend a week on the moon with no Wi-Fi? Or a month on Mars but never return to Earth? Comment down below. What was the first rover to land on the moon? Apollo Lunar Module, Lunokhod 1, or Surveyor 7? Lunokhod 1. Which space mission made history by landing on a comet in 2014? Rosetta, Voyager 1, or Cassini? Rosetta. What was the first space mission to send back data from the outer reaches of the solar system? Pioneer 10, Voyager 2, or New Horizons? Pioneer 10. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Which space agency is responsible for the Mars Curiosity rover? NASA, Roscosmos, or China National Space Administration? NASA. What is the name of the rover that recently landed on Mars in February 2021? Spirit, Perseverance, or Opportunity? Perseverance. Which space agency is responsible for the ISS?
ESA.
NASA. Or Roscosmos. NASA. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? The Voyager 1 spacecraft has left our solar system and is now in interstellar space. Yes, you are right, it's true. It became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in 2012. What is the name of the first space station to be built and operated in space? Salyut 1. Mir. Or International Space Station, ISS. International Space Station, ISS. You've made it to the end of our space adventure. Whether you aced the quiz or learned something new, exploring the cosmos is always an exciting journey. From historic moon landings to the latest Mars missions, space exploration continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be part of the next giant leap for humankind. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing science and tech quizzes.